In a competitive real estate market like Rowlett, where curb appeal and home efficiency play major roles in buyer decisions, even small upgrades can have a big impact on resale value. One improvement that consistently delivers an impressive return is a quality door replacement. Whether it's the front entry door, patio door, or a side access door, replacing old, worn, or inefficient doors can transform your home's appearance, boost security, and enhance energy performance, all major selling points for today's buyers. Here's why investing in a high-quality door replacement can make your Rowlett home more appealing and more valuable when it's time to sell. First impressions matter. Starting with the front door, your front entry door is one of the first features buyers notice when they walk up to your home. A faded, cracked, or outdated door can give the wrong impression, even if the rest of your home is well maintained. A new door immediately elevates your home's exterior, making it look fresh, updated, and welcoming. A stylish, modern, or solid finish door can significantly enhance curb appeal, create an inviting first impression, make your home stand out among listings, complement your exterior design and color palette. In Rowlett's family-focused neighborhoods, homes with strong visual appeal attract more interest and often sell more quickly. Quality doors improve energy efficiency, a key selling point. North Texas experiences long, hot summers and occasional chilly winters. Buyers in Rowlett value homes that help reduce cooling and heating costs, and replacing old, drafty doors can make a noticeable difference. Energy-efficient doors offer features such as insulated cores, tight weather-stripping, energy-efficient glass inserts, durable, thermal-resistant materials. These upgrades help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and prevent air leaks, making the home more efficient and environmentally friendly. Buyers often view energy savings as a long-term financial benefit, boosting your home's overall value. Enhanced security increases buyer confidence. Security is extremely important to homeowners, especially in growing suburban areas like Rowlett. Older doors can warp, weaken, or develop loose hardware over time, making them less secure. New, high-quality replacement doors improve protection with stronger frames, reinforced lock systems, impact-resistant materials, modern deadbolts, and smart lock compatibility. When buyers see sturdy, well-installed doors, they feel more confident in the home's safety, which can influence their purchase decision in a positive way. Improved functionality adds everyday convenience. Doors that stick, squeak, or fail to close properly can be frustrating for homeowners and worrisome for potential buyers. Quality door replacements fix these issues by providing smooth operation, tight sealing, and durable performance. Better functionality enhances resale appeal by eliminating visible signs of wear, ensuring easy access to patios, backyards, and garages, providing noise reduction from outside, reducing maintenance concerns for future owners. Buyers appreciate homes that feel move-in ready, meaning fewer repairs and immediate comfort. Modern designs align with Rowlett's evolving aesthetic. Many Rowlett neighborhoods are experiencing upgrades and renovations, and homebuyers are increasingly drawn to residences with modern, updated features. Replacing outdated doors with sleek, contemporary, craftsman style, or decorative options helps your home feel current and aligned with today's trends. Popular choices include fiberglass doors with wood look finishes, steel doors for superior security, glass panel patio doors for indoor-outdoor living, modern designs with horizontal or geometric glass inserts. These stylish upgrades boost both the interior and exterior appeal of your home. High ROI makes door replacement a smart pre-sale upgrade. National Remodeling Reports consistently rank door replacements among the highest return home improvement projects. For Rowlett homeowners looking to sell, this means a quality door upgrade can often pay for itself, or even contribute to a higher sale price. With improved curb appeal, energy performance, security, and overall aesthetic, buyers perceive more value in your home, making it easier to justify a stronger listing price. A small upgrade with big value. For Rowlett homes, quality door replacement is one of the most cost-effective ways to enhance your home's appearance, comfort, and marketability. In Rowlett's competitive housing market, a new door can make your home stand out, attract more buyers, and command a higher resale value. If you're preparing to sell, or simply want a smart investment that adds beauty and performance, Upgrading your doors is a decision that delivers benefits long before and long after the sale.